attach and skip to it, which is raycast target. Now I'm gonna open it, and while we are learning about raycast, let me give you an brief about it. It's a dot, like it's a line from a point to another point. So, and gives an information about you what you have hit. So this is just a brief about it. You'll understand it more if you use it, because you know experiment is the best way of learning things. So you need a direction for this, and you need to know about the object that you have hidden. So for that you need to take parameters or variables, whatever you want to call them, for that. So for the direction purpose, I'm gonna use game object dot target. This will be used as the target, and we are going to make it public so we can use it in the inspector, or we have to serialize it if you're into that. Then we'll define a ray is equals to new ray. For the parameters, we'll give the position of this object, that is transform the position, and then what we'll do is we get the direction. For the direction, we'll use target dot transform dot position, the position of the target, and the position of current game object. So we'll minus them and dot normalized. So what this will do is it will give what this will do is it will it will take from, so this part is just for the direction. So what we are doing here is, firstly we are minusing the current position from the target position. So in that way we can make sure that the starting point position of the object is from 0, and then we are normalizing it. So when we normalize it, it ends up from the scale from 0 to 1. So you'll see what I'm saying. Now we can use out raycast, wait a minute, raycast hit. So this class is for the storage of whatever we have gotten or whatever we have hit through the, whatever you call, through the ray. Okay, so this will give information about the game object that we have hidden, or that came between the point from our point to the target. So we'll define it this way. Then for the raycast, we'll do it this way. If physics, sorry, dot raycast, then we'll get the ray. That is the first parameter that we have defined. Second will be the out raycast hit. Fine. Okay, there is, oh, so now it will give you us information about the object that we have hidden. To keep checking about that ray, the ray that we are making, we can use the debug.drawRay function and pass ray in it. Okay. This will make a ray and give us information where it is being formed, so we can see if it's being formed or not. So this will not be in the build, so do not try to use it. And if you wish to see the ray being formed in the build, you can use raw gizmos. That will be the better option for that. So we can use an, now we are gonna do an else statement in case we didn't hit. So here ego debug.log we have hit raycast hit dot game object. Okay, we'll add a dot game object dot name. Okay, then if we didn't hit anything, we have hit nothing. Okay, so now what it will do, we need to make an empty game object here, just checking if things are recording. So we'll make a empty game object here and we'll drag it to here. Then what we'll do is drop this game object here and let's take a cube for now, not a empty game object but a cube. I keep repeating the mistakes. Damn. Okay, and I'll put it just between, a bit further from the 2 points. So as you can see, the line will be make in between from here to there. You can see a straight line there for now, and you will see when I hit play the line that we were talking about. So this is the line that have been formed, but as I have not defined a limit of it, so it will be to infinity until we define a limit of it. So what, and you can see here it is continuously showing that we have hit nothing. Let me get it out of the way. Now if I move it to the way between the lines, so we saw that it's hitting the cube. Now if I remove it from the path, we again get a log that we are not hitting anything. Another thing, now as you can see, it is within, what do you call, as I have already told you, it doesn't have a limit, so it's just a direction. So as I'll show you that it's not limited to that thing. If I do it this way, it started hitting again. So if I have not given it what do you call, a length, it will keep on going till the end of whatever you call, but it will not stop, it will be there. So the best way to do it is to give it length, how far you want the game object to be